Welcome students in a series of decimals. Today's topic is multiplication of decimals by 10, 100, 1000. Multiplication of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000 is very easy. What you need to do, first ignore the decimal points and multiply the numbers just like a simple multiplication. Then count the number of decimal places in decimal number. Then place the decimal point in product accordingly. So let us see few examples so that we can do it. At first we will understand multiplication of decimals by 10. It is your first question. 0.7 multiply 10. You know that how to multiply any whole number by 10? So it is very easy, just like that. Let us think this 0.7 is just 7. Multiply 7 by 10 and what you will get? 7070. Now, in case of decimal, what we need to do? We need to count decimal place in decimal number. Here, decimal places are 1. Decimal places is just 1. So, we will count from here 1 digit and we will put decimal here. So, your answer is 7.0 and 7.0 is equals to 7. Let us do one more question. 3.5 multiply by 10. In this case also, here decimal is after one place. So what we will do? At first multiply 35 by 10. What we will get? 350. Now we will put decimal after how many digits? Because here decimal is after one place. That's why we will count one digit. It means from here and we will put decimal here. It is this 35.0 and 35.0 is equals to 35. It means we can say that multiplying a decimal by 10 moves the decimal point one place to right. Now let us understand multiplication of decimals by 100. Just see 3.06 multiply by 100. At first multiply this number by 100 just by assuming that it is 306. Ignore decimal this time. So 306 multiply by 100. It is very easy. Just write 306 and these two zeros. It means it is 30,600. Now we need to put decimal because it is a decimal number. How many places? Count 1 and 2. There are 2 decimal places. It means we will put decimal after 2 digits 1 and 2. Here 306.00. Now it is equals to 306. In this way, let us do one more question. 0.519 multiply by 100. Just multiply 519 by 100. What you will get? 51900. Now we need to put decimal. How many places? There are 3 decimal places in this decimal number. So we will put decimal after 3 digits from here. 1, 2, 3. It means here we will put decimal. So our final answer is 51.9. It means what we can say that multiplying a decimal by 100 moves the decimal point 2 places to right. Let us do multiplication of decimals by 1000. Here is your question. 3.007 multiply by 1000. At first, just multiply 3007 by 1000. Ignore decimal first and write your answer. It is 3007000. It is your product. Now we need to put decimal. So at first count decimal places in this decimal number 1, 2, 3. It means where we will put decimal 1, 2, 3 here. So here we will put decimal. It means our final answer is 3007. Let us do one more question. 16.73 multiply by 1000. So here also, let us multiply 1673 by 1000. What you will get? 1673000. Now we will put decimal. After how many places? 1, 2. Decimal places are 2 in this decimal number. It means we will count 2 places, 2 digits from here, 1 and 2, and we will put decimal here like this. So our final answer is 16,730. It means we can say multiplying a decimal by 1000 moves the decimal point 3 places to right. So it is very easy to multiply any decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Write the one-step operation you would use to change these numbers as specified below. For example, 4.03 to 40.3. The question is like this, that what we need to multiply in 4.03 so that we will get the product 40.3. So just observe the decimal points. In this number 4.03 decimal places are 2, but in product decimal place is just 1. It means all digits are same, but decimal point moves. How many place? In this 2 and in this 1. It means one place is moved towards right. So we can say decimal places moves one place to right when we multiply by 10. So let us multiply by 10. 4.03 multiply by 10. At first multiply just by ignoring the decimal point 4030 and put decimal after 2 decimal places. So your final answer is 40.3. It means that one operation is multiply by 10. Second question 0.0121. In this question also just see here 0.01. Here are 2 decimal places and here are no decimal places, only whole number 1. It means decimal place 2 towards right, no decimal place. So that we can say that decimal places moves to 2 places to the right. It means multiply by 100. So let us multiply by 100 in 0.01. First multiply just by ignoring the decimal point and what you will get? 100 and put decimal after 2 places 1 and 2. It means here. So it is 1.00 and which is equals to 1. Now next question is 4.2 to 4200. In this question 4.2 decimal place 1 decimal place and here decimal moves to 3 places when we multiply by 1000. So let us multiply by 1000 in 4.2 just by ignoring the decimal point. What you will get? 42000. Now put decimal after 1 place. So it means decimal will be here. So your product is 4200. It is. Now do one more question 12.875 to 12,875. Here also decimal places are 3 and here decimal place moves 3 places to the right. It means again multiply by 1000. So multiply by 1000 in this 12.875. What you will get? 12875,000. Now put decimal. Count decimal places here 3. So we will put decimal 1, 2, 3 here. And it is your final answer 12,875. It means one operation which is needed to convert this 12.875 into 12,875 is multiply by 1000. Multiplication of decimals by a counting number is very easy. What we need to do, we need to multiply the numbers just by ignoring the decimal point first. So let us multiply 5.93 multiply by 8. We will ignore this decimal point and just do a simple kind of multiplication. So 8 3s are 24. We will write 4 here and 2s carry. Then 8 nines are 72, 72 plus 2, 74, we'll write 4 here and 7 as carry. Then 8 fives are 40, 40 plus 7, 47. Now we will put decimal point. In this first number, 2 decimal places, and in counting number 0 decimal places. Now we will find out the sum of decimal places. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. So total decimal places should be 2 in product, 1, 2 here. Here we will put decimal. So your product is 47.44. Now let us multiply a decimal number by a 2-digit counting number. It is also just like a 1-digit counting number and very easy. So how we will do? 723.04, and we will multiply by this 8989. We will just ignore this decimal point first and we will multiply. So 9 fours are 36. We will write 6 here and 3 as carry. 9 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3, 3. 9 threes are 27. We will write 7 here and 2 as carry. 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. We will write 0 here and 2 as carry. 9 sevens are 63, 63 plus 2, 65. Now we will multiply by this second digit, which is 8, which is at tens place. That's why we will put cross at ones place and we will start from 8 fours are 32. We will write 2 here and 3 as carry. 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3, 3. 8 threes are 24. We will write 4 here and 2 as carry. 8 twos are 16 plus 2, 18. We will write 8 here and 1 as carry. 8 sevens are 56, 56 plus 1, 57. Now we will add 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 7 plus 3, 10. We will write 0 here and 1 as carry. We will add in 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Then 8 plus 5, 13. We will write 3 here and 1 as carry, and we will add 7 plus 6 plus 1, which is equals to 14. We will write 4 here and 1 as carry, and it is 5 plus 1, 6. Now we will put decimal point. In this first number, 2 decimal points, and in this 89, it is a counting number, so 0 decimal places. So what are 2 plus 0? 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 is the sum. So we will write 2 decimal places in product, 1 and 2 we will write here. Our answer is 64,350.56. Now let us multiply one number by this 7,000. It is also a counting number, but it is in a form of multiplication, multiple of 10, 100 and 1000. So what we will do, we will break this 0.6512 we will write as it is, and then we will break this 7,000. We can write 7,000 as 7 multiply by 1000, right? We can write. Now we will multiply these two numbers first. 0.652 multiply 7. We will solve this part and our answer will be 4.5584. Then we will multiply by 1000, and we have already learned how to multiply by multiple of 10, 100 and 1000. Just write this number ignoring decimal point and write all the zeros of this number and then put decimal point. So it is like this. After 4 places we will put the decimal point here, or we can say when we multiply by 1000 our decimal place shifted towards right up to 3 decimals per place. So 1, 2, 3 decimal place will be here like this. 4558.4 is our final answer. Now let us do very easy kind of question. 5867 multiplied by 6 equals to 35,202. It is given to you that what is the product of these two numbers. It is already given to you. Then find the product of each of the following without performing multiplication. Now what you need to do, you need to find out the answer of these questions just by observing this, what is given to you, and not performing multiplication. How you will do? 5.867 multiplied by 6. Digits are same. It means answer will be this only. Just there is a difference of decimal place. Here are 3 decimal places. So what we will do? Answer will be same just like this, but we will put decimal places accordingly. So here 3 decimal places. So we will count 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, and we will put decimal here. So your answer is 35.202. Next question. 58.67 multiplied by 6. Same digits, but decimal place is 2. So answer will be same. Just we will count two decimal places, 1 and 2, and we will put decimal here. So our answer is 352.02. Let us do one more question. 586.7 multiplied by 6. Again, answer will be same. Here one decimal place, that's why we will put decimal after this one digit. So here 3520.2. Let us do one more. 0.5867 multiplied by 6. Here are four decimal places. So answer will be same, but we will put decimal places after four digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So here it means our final product for this is 3.5202. We have learned how to multiply a decimal number by multiple of 10 and how by counting numbers. And today we are going to learn how to multiply decimal numbers by decimal numbers. So here is your question. 21.05 multiplied by 0.8. Both are decimal numbers. 21.05 is also a decimal number and 0.8 is also a decimal number. So rule will be same. We will multiply just like a simple multiplication and we will ignore the decimal sign first. So it means we will write this 21.05, 21.05 and 0.8, and we will multiply this, but we will ignore this decimal point in both the decimal numbers first. So when we will ignore this, then it is just like a simple 2105 and this is just 8, number 8. So we will multiply this number by 8. Simple multiplication. So how we will multiply? 8 fives are 40. We will write 0 here. 4 as carry. Then 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4, 4. So we will write 4 here. Then 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. So it is our multiplication, a simple multiplication. Now we will observe decimal places. In this first decimal number, two decimal places, and in 0.8, one decimal place. So total decimal places should be in product 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3 decimal places should be in this product. So just count 3 digits from ones place. 1, 2, 3, and we will put decimal here. So your answer is 16.840. It is very simple. Let us do one more question. Here is your question. There are two decimal numbers, 89.65 and 6.8. So we will multiply these numbers just by ignoring decimal points. So we will write 89.65 and 6.8 and we will multiply, but we will ignore the decimal point and we will multiply simply. So at first we will multiply by this 8. 8 fives are 40. We will write 0 here, 4 as carry. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 4 52. We will write 2 here, 5 as carry. 8 9 are 72 plus 5 77. We will write 7 here, 7 as carry. 8 8 are 64, 64 plus 7 equals to 71. So we will write 71 here. Now we will write a cross and then we will multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30. We will write 0 here, 3 as carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39. We will write 9 here, 3 as carry. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 3 57. We write 7 here, 5 as carry. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5 equals to 53. So we will write 53 here. Now we will add 0. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 9 plus 7 equals to 16. We'll write 6 here and 1 we will add in this 7 plus 1 which is 9. Then 7 plus 3 equals to 10. We'll write 0 here and 1 as carry. So we will add in 5. This is 6. Now we will consider the decimal point at this stage. In this first decimal number, two decimal places, and in this 6.8, one decimal place. So total 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So in product there should be 3 decimal places. So we will count from this digit 1, 2, 3 and we will put decimal point here. It means our answer is 609.620. So, my dear students, if you will face any problem in mathematics, what you need to do? You need to just do practice and you can solve any problem. Goodbye.